We are going to invert a physical object and find it in the environment and ensure that it isn't an existential object, but rather one that we can construct. We're going to use CDs or movies as our source of inversion, from which we will create something else. CDs are mostly used for watching video on the internet or on television, and that's about it. The definition would probably be something like a flat disc that you put inside a box, and it demonstrates color and sound from which you observe pareidolias. So flat disc would be a three-dimensional cube that you leave somewhere and it something other than paint, color, and sound without pareidolia. So I just have to figure out what there is other than color and sound. Ciao. Absence and background is what I chose. I didn't have a box, so I used a tube instead. It does the same thing, it's just circular instead of square. But it's basically a telescope without a piece of glass in front of it. And I have an idea of how I can use this for something, but I'll have to come back to it in a second after I've figured out how to use it. You put this over here like this, you pick a random card. So some strong guy thought he knew what was going on and then died. The world was sad. They poured out water in Temperance. Then there was a war. Towers fell. Someone else was killed. And a new king was born. But you don't have to do tarot cards. You can do like this. It depends on what you see inside the strings. For example, this is a river, a path, treasure, and a dragon.